least, to the occasion. And what an occasion it has been in the build-up. The fans playing their part. Now it's down to the players to try and provide further entertainment, as they have done through it. Wasn't going to give up on that one, was he? It looked very close, Chukwueze. That they forged to great effect against Ghana. It is indeed he that plays it forward here, looking for Cyril Dessers. Pumps it on towards Simon, who scores! Didn't take long. Nigeria in front in the final, thanks to their skipper Moses Simon. In the right place to apply the finishing touch there. After some good work from Cyril Dessers, who opened the scoring in the semi and has turned provider this time. He's the most capped player in this national career. Came from halfway. It was close to offside, wasn't it, against Cyril Dessers, who delivered dangerously. Jamaica will take their turn to attack instead with Ronaldo Cephas. Really dangerous ball in, Davis arriving and touched in by Kaheem Dixon. 1-1. And a huge roar greets the rapid response from the Reggae Boys. Kaheem Dixon of Charlton Athletic has levelled it up for Jamaica. He's been able to get to work with the players on the training ground since then. Watching on in the stands, amongst many experience, still scrapping for it. Comes for Chukwueze. He's outnumbered, but gets his shot away and scores. Brilliantly taken by Samuel Chukwueze. And Nigeria in front in the final for the second time. And now he's come up with a finish as well. His 7th international. Number of star names not available in this squad, but in their absence, Chukwueze is one of the more senior players available to Eric Shaw. And he's led by example here. He had an awful lot to do when taking the pass from Tella, outnumbered by those. They've made the run for him, still with Ronaldo Cephas. He's able to deliver the cross, and they've levelled it again. It's Russell, it's 2-2. Real resilience from the Reggae Boys. They will not give this one up. And they're back on turn for the second time in the final. In front of goal, but once more, big part played by Ronaldo Cephas. He's the one that made it. Only goal this season came for Leicester City against Tranmere Rovers in the second round of England's League Cup competition. He was just missing that far post. Nice touch to set himself though. Goes the whistle in that cup final. Scored from the spot in the semi in stoppage time to win. Vega, that was his first international goal. He's going to take the opening penalty here up against Stanley Wabali in that Nigerian goal. And he scores emphatically again. It's a really good penalty. No mistake from King. Setting the... Ivan Toney watching on. So first up for Nigeria here will be their substitute Kelechi Iheanacho. Hasn't been on too long. Iheanacho also scores. Went the same way. Again, the goalkeeper went the other way. And it's all square in the shootout. Sent forward by Steve McLaren to take their second penalty. Isaac Hayden also scores. This time the goalkeeper went the other way, but dived out of the way. He's going to step up to take the next one. must have thought when he put his team in front 10 minutes into the game that it might have been a much more straightforward evening than it's developed into. And Simon scores. Good penalty so far. The goalkeeper has been able to recall to the international setup this week at short notice by Steve McLaren. He's the next to take on Wabali. Morrison from the spot also scores into the corner. They remain perfect. Kadare next up. Wonderful season he's had in front of goal in Belgium with Genk. Scored 21 times in their top flight. He's over the next one. And also scores in off the... A little bit more for every player that steps forward after every success. Dwayne Atkinson. Now he was a title winner with Cavalier in that penalty shootout last week. And for just his fourth cap today. Taking that. And he's hit the bar. The first to miss from the spot. Dwayne Atkinson can't convert for Jamaica. Convert, so it's advantage Nigeria if they can from this one. Onyemaechi does so emphatically, and they're one kick away. Thumped in from the fullback for 4-3 Nigeria on penalties. All the reggae boys are beaten. Spoke this week about the great honour of being afforded that captain's armband. Can he keep them in contention in the penalty shootout? And Maui Bell does score with a measure of confidence. Could be the crucial one they can do. Unless this is the one who places down the potentially decisive penalty. Pressure on his shoulders, certainly. Mr. Win it. Uche does score. And Nigeria win the